Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Instagram story not uploading. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, check your internet connection by turning Wi-Fi off and on, or switching to mobile data. Next, turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, and then turn it off to reset your network. Then, open a browser and load any website to confirm the internet is working normally. After that, restart your phone to clear temporary glitches affecting Instagram uploads. Now, open Instagram and try uploading a very short story to test if the issue is resolved. If it still fails, close Instagram completely from the recent apps screen and reopen it. Next, check if Instagram is down by searching Instagram down and reviewing outage reports. Then, make sure you are logged in correctly by going to Profile and confirming your account loads. After that, log out of Instagram and log back in to refresh your session. Now, check your phone storage and free up space if it is almost full. Next, go to your phone settings and disable Data Saver for Instagram if it is enabled. Then, allow Instagram to use mobile data and app settings if it was restricted. After that, disable any VPN or proxy app because it can block upload connections. Now, check Instagram permissions and make sure photos, camera, and microphone are allowed. Next, try uploading a different photo or video in case the original file is corrupted. Then, shorten the video or reduce the file size because large files may fail to upload. After that, turn off Bluetooth and any hotspot sharing to reduce connection conflicts. Now, update Instagram from the App Store or Google Play to get the latest bug fixes. Next, update your phone system software if an update is available. Then, clear Instagram cache on Android from Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. If you are on iPhone, delete Instagram and reinstall it because iOS does not have a cache clear button. After reinstalling, open Instagram and allow the requested permissions again. Now, go to Instagram Settings, Account, and check if you have any account restrictions or warnings. Next, disable Upload at highest quality temporarily to test if it improves uploads. Then, try switching to a different network, like another Wi-Fi, to rule out router issues. After that, reboot your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Now, set date and time to automatic on your phone to avoid authentication errors. Finally, contact Instagram support from Settings. Help. Report a problem if none of these steps work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.